Hi, let's learn today to pronounce the given words properly. Circle the words where you get a z sound. One is done for you. You should understand before we could start reading these words. You should understand the difference between z sound and s sound. S and z. And z is also pronounced as z, and we call it as z. Fine. Now let us see. Already one example is given for us. Honey bees. It's not bees. It is honey bees. In the last, the pronunciation should be like z sound. Honey bees, not honey bees. Wrong. Honey bees is right. Next, price. 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 Next, prize. 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 Z sound. Maze. 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 Next, face. 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 So, in this first line, prize, maze are the two words that sounds z. Now, second line, rice, rice, rise, rise. In rise, rise, its se sound is like a z sound. Rice, s, sa sound. Rice, rise. blaze, blaze. fizz, fizz. In this second line, the words which sounds like z are rise, 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 blaze, fizz. Now let's come to third line. Lazy, 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 lacy, 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 busy. It's not busy, it is busy, busy, z sound. racy, racy. It's not racy, it's racy. Third line. In the third line, the words which sound like z are lazy, lazy, busy, busy. Two words, right? Next, let's move to fourth line. Raise, 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 raise. It's not race, it is raise. Z sound should come. Rays, race. It's not raise, it's race. Race, race. Ace, is. So, raise, raise is the only one word in that line which sounds like z in the last. Fine. Last line, chase, chase. It's not chase, it's a z sound is coming, z sound. Chase, z, chase. This, this. This, this. These, these. Z sound is coming. These. frosty, frosty. frosty, frosty. Last line, chase, chase. These. These are the two words sounding with z sound. So, in this session, it is very important to know the difference between the z sound and s sound, and we should know which words sound like z sound. It's easy to identify when the words come with z, we easily say z, but there are words in this box like In second line, R-I-S-E. S is there, but the sound comes like Z. Rise. Then next, B-U-S-Y. Third line, B-U-S-Y. S is there, but still it sounds like Z. Busy. Right? Then next, fourth line, R-A-I-S-E. Rise. Even though S is placed there, we should pronounce it as Z. Z sound. Rise. And last line, C-H-A-S-E. Chase. It's not chase, it's chase. And T-H-E-S-E. These. So these are the words that we need to remember. And we already knew that P-R-A-Z-E, prize, M-A-Z-E, maze, B-L-A-Z-E, blaze, F-I-Z-Z, fizz, L-A-Z-Y, lazy. These are the words which sounds like Z. Automatically they have to sound like that because they are having the letter Z within them. But other words which are having S-E, we should be careful when we pronounce. We should carefully pronounce them. Right. Thank you. Have a nice